Is the main conclusion presented by the author of Passage 2 consistent with Morgan's canon as described in Passage 1? So remember, Morgan's canon was suggestions of human-like mental processes behind an animal's behavior should be rejected if a simpler explanation will do. So let's go see what the conclusion of Passage 2 was. These experiments showed, here it is, that raven's curiosity ensures exposure to all or almost all items in the environment. Well, notice the key word here, curiosity. This is a human-like trait. Right? We would describe humans as curious. To describe animals as curious is imposing on them a certain idea of mental motivation that comes from our own human-like ideas of what might motivate a bird. There might be a simpler explanation here that's being missed. So it seems to not be consistent with Morgan's canon. So we can get rid of A, we can get rid of B. No, because the conclusion suggests that the ravens exhibit complex behavior patterns. That's not really what we're looking for. No, because the conclusion implies that a human-like quality motivates the raven's behavior. Exactly, right? This quality of curiosity is what's motivating them allegedly, and that's not really what Morgan's canon would want to say as a conclusion. They would rather find a simpler, less human-focused explanation. So this one's choice D. Another one of these detail dual types questions where the key is to see how two specific parts of the passages relate. So in this case, the opening of passage 1 and the conclusion of passage 2. A little bit tricky. If you don't see the word and focus on the word curiosity, this will be a very difficult question. If you focus instead on this earlier stuff, you might get drawn into, say, C because of the complex behavior patterns. But the focus should be on this final conclusion, right? The main conclusion presented by the author. So again, making sure our answer is consistent with the specifics of the question is really the key to this one. All right, that's it for the reading. Let's move on next to the writing.